Welcome. In this tutorial we will cover how to associate and dissociate an IP address with your instance. Go to the Access and Security page and from there click on the Floating IPs tab. You will see there are already a number of IP addresses that have been released into the Floating IP pool. Click on Allocate IP to Project and a new window opens. On the right hand side you can see a summary of your project quotas, how many IP addresses have been released from the total available into your floating IP pool. From the drop down select Public or Private and click on Allocate IP. The IP address has now been released into the floating IP pool. Next we'll associate this floating IP address with one of our instances. Click on the Associate Floating IP button and a new window opens. From the drop-down menu, select the port or the instance to which you wish this IP address to be associated and click on Associate. The IP address will be successfully associated to this instance. You can also dissociate your floating IP by clicking on the Dissociate Floating IP button. And if you no longer require this IP to be available in the future, you can release it into the pool by selecting the IP address and clicking on Release Floating IPs. It is then removed from the floating IP pool and back into general allocation. You can also associate an IP address to an instance from the Instances page. From the drop-down menu, select Associate Floating IP. Here you can choose one that is currently in the pool from the drop-down menu, or you can choose to have one assigned randomly by clicking on the plus button and then selecting Allocate IP. Ensure that the server instance that you wish it to be associated is correct and click on Associate. The IP address will be associated. You can also dissociate the IP address from the drop-down menu here.